March is here. Hello, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you very much for joining us. The first day of March on the meteorological calendar is the first day of autumn, but on the astronomical calendar, that's the Earth's rotation around the sun each year, we've got another 3 weeks to go before we can say it's autumn. Mother Nature, though, usually finds sort of a middle ground between those two dates, and that's really what we're going to be seeing over the next couple of weeks. Some hints that summer is over, but still some reminders that it's only just finished, and we've still got some hot, dry days coming up. Also a reminder today, we're issuing our Climate Watch video update and our news update on that, which is covering the next month ahead, weather-wise and climate-wise in the New Zealand and Australia regions. So first of all, let's kick off with the Monday wind map, and we've got north to northeast winds coming down across the country. There's a big high out to the east, a weak low out to the west, and the two combined are producing that northerly quarter wind and a lot more cloud around the country at the moment. Over the next few days, we're going to be seeing plenty of showers, and the change on Tuesday for northern areas in particular is a shift away from all those easterlies we've been having, and now we're getting west to northwest winds coming in. So we will see some wet weather lining up on the western side, mostly in the South Island, where it'll be patchy rain, but in the North Island, showers coming through and warm subtropical winds in some areas, so it certainly won't be a cold Tuesday. By Wednesday, we've got windy westerlies blowing around the South Island, more rain and showers over on the west coast. By the way, the rainfall accumulations for the next week or two over on the west coast are about 200 millimetres, so there's a lot of rain on the way, and it begins this week. In the north, here's some good news. Wednesday, we've got some showers coming through. Not everyone who needs rain will get what they need, but there's still going to be some hit and miss relief coming in for northern New Zealand on Wednesday, and it's another mild day, more of these warm nights that we've been seeing in northern New Zealand. Now, as we go towards the end of the week, again, more wet weather around the North Island. This is the first week in a while where we've seen it leaning about average for this time of the year. Not wetter or drier, about average, with those showers and downpours coming through mid to late week. And more showers around the South Island on Thursday. But on Friday, what you'll find is low pressure down in the Southern Ocean will strengthen those winds, those northwest winds. They'll tilt more to the northwest again, and the rain clouds come back on the west coast with heavy falls, maybe an isolated thunderstorm, because after that front, it's a cold front there, after that, colder air comes in out of the Southern Ocean. You can see that dark blue line indicating the air thickness. So we've got dry, colder air coming through. And as well, dry is probably not the right word, but overall, the airflow is drier out of the Southern Ocean, but it's not going to be a dry Saturday. It's a cold Saturday with showers in both islands. Good news, the North Island getting some downpours again on Saturday. There will be a temperature drop. Everyone will feel that before the next high rolls in. There's a southerly, so the temperatures drop. The high means we've got some dry, settled weather coming back again the following week. And before I finish, look at the tropics. 1, 2, 3, 4 lows, in fact 5 if you count that one as well. 5 lows all in a row. Sounds like a kid's poem. Now each one takes the energy away from the one next to it. So if we didn't have the one in the middle here, you might be looking at 2 tropical cyclones. But because they're all pulling energy off each other, hard to know if these will form into a cyclone. But this one here, way up north of Townsville, that one does have fairly high chances of forming into a cyclone, but it should stay north of New Zealand. So there we go, that's the forecast through until Saturday. It's certainly starting to look a lot like autumn when you look at these weather maps right here. But we'll still get more of that warm summer weather coming back in again as we go through the month of March. And once more, a reminder, our March outlook, our Climate Watch update will be issued this morning before lunchtime. So check out that video as well. We'll see you again on Tuesday.